This former Stars Lottery showroom is like nothing you've ever seen before. Right here is where contemporary features meets classic design and screams luxury from every single corner. This community called The Crossings is in the heart of the West Side and is located next to 2 future elementary schools, high schools, and of course, Alberta's second largest YMCA. Now this area is ideal for amenities, but it's this community that really promotes higher end construction and building materials like hardy board siding that provides an alluring streetscape. But enough about the area. Let's start off right here in the heart of the home, which is this fantastic kitchen, before we go upstairs and check out one of the most beautiful en-suites that I have seen in a long time. Now, of course, a home of this magnitude deserves quartz countertops, but this island is over 10 feet in length and even has this sitting area over here for those early morning breakfasts or entertaining. Speaking of entertaining, just off of the kitchen is this custom coffee bar. And if you know me, I am a sucker for a good coffee. And this undermount lighting with these custom shelves really makes this area stand out. And if coffee isn't your thing, remember that there's still a wine cellar off to this side here. Stepping back into the kitchen, you're gonna notice these paneled appliances like the dishwasher and the fridge, which is a look that I never get tired of. And you'll notice this wood grain cabinetry throughout, providing those warm, cozy, and relaxing vibes throughout this entire space. Now on our way to the main floor office, I do want to point out that there is a discreet powder room behind me, as well as a pantry and access to your double car garage just over here. Now step into your main floor office, and the first thing that stands out to me are these floor to ceiling windows that bring in that natural light and take advantage of those prairie sunny days. And as you can see, these owners here are using this more of a reading room, which really works well. But with these custom sconces, it gives you the ability to put a desk on either side to have your own work from home area. Now continuing through, we're gonna stop right here in the main living area of the home, which again has these floor to ceiling windows, as well as these upgraded skylights up above that's filling the space with natural light. And one of my favorite features that you'll find in this area and throughout the home are these recessed blinds that just exudes luxury throughout the space. Now for those inevitably cold winter days that are unfortunately just around the corner, you do have a gas fireplace that has just been upgraded with this stone framing around the fireplace, centering off this entire room. Check out this light fixture that just gives off that mid-century modern feel. Now from here, you also have access to your back deck that is very private and has been professionally landscaped throughout. Now wait until you see that primary bedroom because it's an absolute stunner. Now down this hall, we do have 2 more really good sized bedrooms. We have main floor laundry over here, and behind me is another 4-piece bath. Now step inside the primary bedroom that I have been dying to show you. Now stepping in here is your own bonus room that's exclusive to the primary bedroom. Next to these full-size windows as well, you do have a 2-sided electric fireplace and some more storage with custom shelving. And on the other side of the 2-sided fireplace, nearer to the other, provides you a little bit more privacy for these sleeping quarters. Now this ensuite here could be the best area of the home, and I love a well-designed bathroom, and this area is no exception. As you can see, you have these wall-hung vanities with undermount lighting, as well as these custom-hung mirrors and sconces, and you'll notice the high-end feel with this tile that goes all the way up this wall. And behind me here is the ultimate shower that features 2 shower heads on either side, as well as, again, those upgraded skylights bringing in a ton of natural light. And of course, there is a private water closet and a full-size walk-in closet. Now don't forget that this home also has an unfinished basement that's ready to develop so that you can continue to invest in this home for years to come. Thank you guys so much for touring this home with me. My name's Kurtis Hawkins with the Real Estate One team. And if you guys want to see this home in person, be sure to call, text, or email me. And if you guys never want to miss another video, just hit that subscribe button right there.